What's up guys? Mary Jane Colyantes Vlog. So, breakfast tayo guys. Ayan. My noodles. Oh. See? Let's breakfast. Because so cold here. I want to eating noodles. Too much hot. And then have chili garlic. Put this one, the egg chicken, egg. Breakfast, guys. My God, very cold here, so very nice this one, noodles breakfast, so your stomach become hot. Pagkain ng OFW. Very spicy. I put the chili garlic. Yun guys, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Love you guys to all support my video. Shout out everyone. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko.